day one of my Simple Frugal Basic Spring Cleaning 2023. My plan is to get as much of the lower level tackled as possible. We cleaned out the storage room on the weekend, so first stop is the hallway closet. Everything comes out, items we no longer use are purged, it's cleaned and reloaded. Next is my oldest son's room. Again, items are purged, walls, light fixtures, and windows and window track are cleaned. Same in my youngest son's room. Air returns are cleaned out, bed is moved, mattress flipped, deodorized and vacuumed, doors and door jambs are scrubbed. In the foosball and music room, it's a quick reorganize and walls are given some special attention. This is a dry Swiffer and it dusts walls, so when I wipe them, I'm not making mud on the walls. Next is the living room. Everything comes out, storage is purged, cleaned and reorganized, windows and tracks are cleaned, baseboard scuffs are removed. Our 19-year-old leather IKEA couches are cleaned and conditioned, and the table my dad made for our wedding guest book is reorganized and conditioned as well. All our friends signed the other side for our 10th anniversary, and since our 20th is coming up soon, we will have another section ready to be signed. Last is the ping pong and arcade room. I included a before and after of our vacuum, and I put all the extra laundry like throw cushions and covers into the wash. Come back tomorrow for day 2 and read the caption to learn about an exciting new partnership I have with my home builder that will save you thousands off a new home you can custom design frugally, just like I did.